The Kyocera AVX FloXY fine pitch connectors are floating, flexible printed circuit, flexible flat cable, and board-to-board connectors that are ideal in products that require a highly reliable connection such as automotive, industrial, and transportation applications. FloXY is a floating board-to-board connector that allows movement in the X and Y axis to absorb misalignment during assembly and operation. The floating structure of the FloXY connectors enable the mating of multiple connectors on the same board. Automatic assembly by robotics is also possible. The FloXY HS variant is a value-added product that supports high-speed signal standards of 16 gigabit per second or more. A value-added design supports high-speed transmission, EMI control, high current, and hybrid power line. Parallel and vertical connector configurations are available, as well as multiple stack heights. The IATF 16949 certified connectors feature a high-temperature design up to 125 degrees Celsius for high reliability applications.